Oblalotak, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. For today's assembly, we have our middle school basketball tournament and we have circle time with 2 slides, each slide depicting an image which we can then view, discuss, and determine what the impact is. Today, for our circle up check in, we're going to look at an impact, specifically stealing. Look at this picture carefully. From what you can see, what do you think is happening here? What do you observe? Who is this little boy impacting through his actions? Does this boy look happy, scared, nervous, angry? In your circles, discuss what you think is happening here and what you observe. And also talk a little bit about how this boy is impacted. For our older kids, you can talk about what impact this kid's action may have on his family and those around him in greater depth. Remember, today is a 1:30 early hour. And as always, have a terrific Thursday. For our next impact, we will look at bullying. Look at this picture carefully. What's happening here? What do you observe? And who are these students impacting? As you answer these questions, also think about the needs and what the needs are for these individuals. As our green-haired friend is being bullied, what do you think he needs? What do our bullies need? Take your time and discuss in your circles what you think their needs may be. This is an excellent time to pause. This is a reminder that Breivik Mission School is hosting the Husky Showdown Middle School Basketball Tournament today and tomorrow. There will be 10 middle school games and 1 Little Dribblers game. The Little Dribblers game will be today around 8:40 p.m. The first middle school game also begins today at 2 p.m. The first game for Saturday starts at 10 a.m. Due to weather and travel, we will have Teller, 2 teams from Elam, and 2 teams from our very own Huskies present at this tournament. Prices for this will be $1 for students, $3 for adults, and elders 65 and up and kids 5 and under are free. Remember, if you're under the age of 10, you must be accompanied and supervised by an adult at all times. There are no open containers in the gym, no playing in the commons, and please pick up your trash as you exit the gym. And there will be cold side concessions in the evening. Thank you. Also, from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., we will be selling Husky gear for 50% off today and at 6 to 7 p.m. tomorrow too. So this will be a great time to get some Husky gear, t-shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants, hoodies at incredible prices. And with that said, everyone have a fantastic Friday.